Yeah, we can do more examples for sum of n terms here. Let us go for that next question here. Look at this question. Here it is given in an AP, A is given, D is given, AN is given. You are asked to find out N and SN. See it? So let us do that one. So first of all, we can write what are given. The first question I am taking here. A is given 5, D is given 3, AN is given 50, and you are asked to find out N and SN. Right? So an is given, so thirdly we can use the formula n by 2 into a plus an. But for that we need n. So how we can find out? Using this formula. A is given, D is given, you are asked, an is also given. Asked to find out n first. So we can write the formula for an. We know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. Correct? So that's given already here. How much? 50. Simply substituting the values 5 plus n minus 1 into d, which is 3 here, equal to 50. If we take 5 to the other side, n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 50 minus 5, it's 45. And if we divide 45 by 3, you will get n minus 1, which is equal to 15. Therefore, n is equal to 16. Right, n is equal to 16, we can use formula which one, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an directly. So n it is 16, 16 by 2 into a is 5 plus an it is 50. So getting, so 8 into 5 into 5, 5 plus 50, 55. 8 into 55, 8 into 5, 40, 4 comes here, is it? And again 8 into 5, 4 plus 4, 4, 40. Is it correct? Am I right? Yeah, yes, complete it. Now let's go through this second one question. Here given A is given, A13 is given. Ask me to find out D and S13. Okay, D and S13. A is given, N it is not given, D not given. Is it? You are asked to calculate S13. So how to do this one? A is given here, A7. A13 is given. A13 we know that A plus 1. Yeah, here n minus 1 it is 12, isn't it? 12 into D, which is given here 35, correct? Is it? So 7 plus 12D is equal to 35, isn't it? So 7 we can take into the other side, 12D is equal to 35 minus 7, 35 minus 7, 28. Is it 28? So D is equal to 28 divided by 12. Both of these are divisible by 4. We can divide by 4, so you will get 7 by 3. Okay. So D we got 7 by 3. So ask her to calculate D. We already got that one. Next one it is S13. S13 how we can calculate? How we will calculate X13? Here, 813 is first of all should calculate n, right? So D we got, A is given, 13 it is given. So 13 it is given here. So n it is equal to 13, right? N is equal to 13. So Sn we can written as Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. A 13 it is given, right? See? So we can write 13 is equal to 13 by 2 into A is 7 plus 13 it is 35. So calculate this one. 13 by 2, 7 plus 35. 7 plus 35. Yeah, it is getting 42. Correct. So 42 by 2. 42 by 2. Into 13. 13 into 21. 13 into 1 is 13, right? And 13 into 2 is 26. 26 plus 1, 27. Yeah, 273. That's all, right? So this is the way we can calculate it. Yeah, complete it.